What a wonderful day! The shark cars are playing soccer on the field.
Come here. Let's go.
Purple car kicks the ball hard.
Yeah.
Blue car catches it and kicks it back.
I got it. Nice. It's amazing. It's my time.
Oh no! Blue car misses the ball. The ball flies away and breaks the barn door lock. The horses rush out, scared and running everywhere.
Hello.
A truck is delivering oil barrels on the road.
What is this?
Oh no! The truck bumps into a horse
God.
and falls into a sand pile. No!
What's next?
The horse is hurt too.
Help me! Help me!
Shark cars quickly call the rescue team.
Hi, guys. Who is next?
Ambulance.
Cool. Look at this. Okay. I got it. Are you ready?
The ambulance arrives and gives medicine to the horse.
Wow! Yeah!
The horse stands up again and returns to the barn.
So nice. I like it.
The shark cars pick up the oil barrels one by one.
It's amazing. Who is next? Come here. It's my time.
Crane truck.
The crane truck lifts the truck gently out of the sand.
Yeah!
The truck is covered in sand.
I got it.
Let's go to the wash station.
Are you ready? Okay. It's amazing. What's next?
Wash, wash, scrub, scrub. Now the truck is clean again.
Nice.
Load the oil barrels.
Let's
Time to
go.
go.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.